Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install and use dual Instagram account on your Android device. If this is your first time here and you find this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot and it helps this channel to grow. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we proceed, let me show you how many Instagram apps I have installed on this device. To do that, let's open the app drawer. And right here, you can see that I have only one Instagram app installed on this device. Now, what we want to do is to install a second one so that we can use a second account on this new instance of the Instagram app. To install the second Instagram app, we are going to use the navigation browser. In this case, for this tutorial, I'm going to use Google Chrome browser, which is the default browser that I use on this device. As you can see right here at the bottom, I have my Google Chrome browser. So I'm going to tap there to open it. And right here at the top in the search, I'm going to type Instagram. So you have Instagram right here. I'm going to tap there so that it goes to Instagram page. So this is the Instagram web page. And you can see right here at the top, you have the option to log in and open the app. In this case, I have an app installed, so I'm going to tap here. And it will open the Instagram app that I already have installed on this device. Now let's close this one. Let's go back to the browser. What we want to do here inside this page is click on these three dots right here at the bottom. Depending on your browser, you might have this address bar here at the top. In my case, this option is at the bottom. So tap on these three dots, you'll get all these options. Scroll down until you find these options. Add to the home screen. So what this option is going to do is to install a web version of the Instagram app on your device. Tap there. You'll get this pop-up notification because what we want is actually install Instagram. So tap here to proceed. You will see this notification at the bottom showing that Instagram is installing. You'll get this very small notification right here. And also you get this notification once the application is installed. To check if the application was really installed, let's go to the app drawer. Let's minimize this. Open app drawer and you can see that I have this Instagram app that I had before, and now I have this second one Instagram app. Now let's add this second Instagram app to the home screen. Let me tap and hold, then drag it. There you go. As you can see, now I have two Instagram apps on this device. I'm going to tap here, the first one, which is the one that I already have installed here. As you can see, this one is working. Now let me tap on the second one. And you can see now this is also working. From here, you can tap on login, add the details of your second Instagram account, and then tap on login. This way you will have two Instagram apps running different accounts on your Android device. If for some reason you decide that you want to uninstall this second Instagram app from your device, let me show you how you can do that. Let's minimize that. Let's go to the app drawer. Right here inside the app drawer, on the second Instagram app, tap and hold until you get this pop-up notification, and tap here on this X to uninstall it. You'll get this pop-up notification asking if you really want to uninstall. If this is what you want, tap on OK. And this will uninstall the Instagram and you'll get this notification. As you can see, the second Instagram app was removed and you only have one Instagram app now. Well everyone, this is how you can install a second Instagram app so that you can add another account on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to us and it helps the channel to grow. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.